Example 4. I especially like this one because there is a good method for beginners. It goes step by step and have different sections. First, give us the process, task, action, and output. Then give us key questions for confirmation. And then for better understand, there are good examples and bad examples. Let's start. Step 4. Define team member. We need a cross-functional team and also a champion as a team leader. As a task, select team members. As action, you have to find people with appropriate skills and you need to define a champion and a sponsor. And output, there will be a list including specific names and defined roles. Here are key questions. Champion or sponsor is defined. Does the team have the right person? And there is another question we did not mention before. For some cases, you should involve your suppliers or customers. Maybe you need to make a pre-study and share only required details with them. It is totally up to you and based on the problem you have. And here is a good sample and bad sample. I think it is clear, so we can move on to the next step. Step 2. Problem description. Task. Describe the problem. What is wrong with what and details for problem in quantifiable terms. I mean, do not say component is not okay, but dimension A of the component is out of tolerance and etc. Action. Please collect all data, including your production data and also data as your customer share with you. Output is a well-defined problem based on the facts. Here is some key questions. By the way, I do not want to repeat again when we go through the examples, so I prefer to highlight the points which we do not mention before. On good sample, as problem description is written, there are several coils with conductivity below specification. There is no part number, name, quantity, etc. And here is good sample. Details are shared, including manufacturing date as traceability. By the way, when you take pictures of parts, please be careful that pictures should be clear and should not lead misunderstanding. There may be problems with different part numbers, so please use as references like figure A, picture B when you write problem description. Step 3. Containment actions. Please do not forget, there must be a clear breakpoint with good part delivery. You must give this information to your customer. For example, starting with barcode number T10123, all deliveries are safe. Key questions. Is the workforce responsible for executing the containment actions sufficiently instructed? So important. Please do not start any sorting operation without an instruction and its training. Additionally, where applicable, you should take confirmation from your customer. For example, if it is a vehicle assembly line, your control or sorting operation may be on the line, so without permission of production responsibles, you cannot implement your containment actions. Good sample and bad sample. As you see on not good sample, controls are performed in transit, customer warehouse, but there is no any information regarding quantities. Additionally, on good sample, conforming material expected date and marking method is defined, which is so important. I recommend you to add a photo with applied marking method so customer do not have to check the part where it is marked.